Hello friends, today we'll start SPSS. We'll try to understand what is SPSS, what are the advantages of SPSS, where the SPSS is used, and which are the different windows used in SPSS. Okay, first, what is the full form of SPSS? SPSS full form is Statistical Package for the Social Science. SPSS full form is Statistical Package for the Social Science. Is one of the most widely used statistical software. It is one of the most widely used statistical software. IBM acquires SPSS in 2009. IBM acquired SPSS in 2009 and renamed as IBM SPSS Statistics. Okay, IBM acquired SPSS in 2009 and changed the name from SPSS to IBM SPSS. Or one more name of SPSS is PASW. PASW, Predictive Analysis Software. Predictive Analysis Software. PASW Statistics covers a broad range of software statistical procedures that allow you to summarize data. That is, compute means, standard deviation, and other measures of central tendency and dispersion. Okay, so it covers what? Broad range of software statistical procedures that allow you to calculate, okay, to summarize. Assume there is a big data, it may be a student data, university student data, or bank database, all the SBI customers bank data, okay, or it may be other data. Okay, the data is very huge. Okay, you want to summarize it. So example, total amount, okay, maximum amount, minimum amount, percentage, average, okay, like this. Okay, or standard deviation, means, or some central tendency, some dispersion. Okay, like this. You can do many calculations using PASW or SPSS softwares. PASW contains several tools for recording data, computing new variables, merging, aggregating datasets, as well as manipulating data. Okay, so PASW contains many tools for recording data, okay, computing new variables, means calculations. Okay, maybe example, total, percentage, like this. You can do different calculations. Merging data, okay, assume there are different data are there, you can combine all the data. Aggregating data sets, as well as manipulating data. You can manipulate it, you can update it, you can change the data. Okay, whenever required you can change the data. Okay, if not required you can delete the data. Okay, so you can update the data also. So many things you can do using PASW software. Okay, so it is used by market researchers. Okay, SPSS software is used in market research, health research, then survey companies, then government education research, marketing organization, and in many other places. Okay, so if the data is very big, okay, so SPSS is very helpful. Okay, so SPSS is similar to MS Excel. In MS Excel also you can do calculation, you can create chart, okay, all those things. But in SPSS you can do more than that. Okay, if the data is very big, you can easily analyze the data. Okay, you can do many calculations also. One of the most popular statistical packages which can perform highly complex data manipulation and analysis with simple instruction. Okay, if the data is very big, very complicated data, so you can easily manipulate it and you can easily analyze the data with simple instructions. Okay, so SPSS software is very easy to learn, very easy. There are very few simple steps are there. Okay, you can easily analyze the data. So PASW contains 4 different windows. PASW contains 4 different windows, each associated with a particular PASW file type. Okay, which are the different 4 different windows? They are data editor, output viewer, third syntax editor, and fourth one is draft viewer window. There are 4 windows. Which are they? Data editor, output viewer, syntax editor, and draft viewer window. Okay, data viewer window, which was available till SPSS 15.0. The fourth window, data viewer window, it is available up to the version SPSS 15 later than 15, okay, the draft viewer window is not available, okay, and is not supported in PHW 18, in 18 version, in 20 version, 21, 24. There are many versions of SPSS. In higher versions of SPSS or higher versions of PHW, that is fourth window, draft viewer window is not available, okay. So we are studying only three windows, okay, data editor, output viewer and syntax editor, okay. So fourth one is we are not using in higher versions of SPSS, okay, till up to version 15 this draft viewer window is available. Later versions this draft viewer window is not available, okay. Then, so what are the functions of SPSS, okay, windows, SPSS editor windows, okay. First is data editor, okay. The first one is data editor. The suffix is, the extension name is, okay, .sav. Whenever you save a file, data editor file, it's saved with extension .sav, file name .sav, okay. Helps in define, enter and edit your data and run statistical test. You can enter the data, you can define the data, okay. If you want to change the data, you can easily edit the data, okay, and run statistical test. If you want to test the statistical data, you can easily test, okay. See here, this is what data editor, okay. You can easily type the data here. How in Excel you type the data, similarly in SPSS also you can type the data, okay. These are all the column names, so okay, okay, you just write that this is last name, this is the gender, okay, maybe 1 means male, 0 means female, like this, okay, date of birth, okay, like this, okay. This is what data editor, in which we can enter the data. Next, output viewer, okay, the extension name is .spv. The extension name or suffix is .spv. Contains the results of the statistical procedure. It contains what results, okay, the output. The output you can see in output viewer. See, for example, okay, so these are all the data. This is the data editor, okay. The data is there, okay. You can see the output here, okay. What is the how many valids are there? Total number, N means total number, okay. So valid is 1036, missing is 0, okay. So you can calculate percentage, okay, valid percentage, frequency, okay. You can categorize it by country, by German, by French, by Italian, like this, okay. And you can create the chart also, okay. You can create the chart also, histogram also, okay. Clear, no? This is the output, okay. You can see the output, okay. These are some data, okay. These all are the data, okay. And this is the output, this one and these are the output. Clear, no? And last window is syntax. The extension name is, the suffix is .spss. It records the sequence of the operations that are pasted. It records what? The sequence of the operations that are pasted. If you want to know that PHW commands can actually be run from syntax window, if you want to know the commands, PHW commands, okay, you can which is available in syntax window. The PHW commands can see in syntax window, okay. For example, okay, so see example, this is, okay, this is the syntax window, this is syntax editor. You can write the code, okay, write the command, you can write the commands. Clear, no? This is about the syntax editor. Clear, no? Okay. Thank you.